Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through YouTube's full screen settings. I know how important it is to have a video take up your entire screen, whether you're watching on an iPhone, Android tablet, or any other device, to fully immerse yourself in the content. Let's open YouTube, and I'll guide you through the settings to optimize your viewing experience. First, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Settings. From there, tap on General, which is the second option. One key setting to look for is Zoom to Fill Screen. Toggle this on. This setting ensures that videos fill your entire screen, especially on devices that don't have a 16:9 aspect ratio, making full use of your display for a more immersive experience. Now that we've enabled this, let's test it out. I'll open a video, hopefully one without an ad up front, and show you how it works. You can tap the small square in the bottom right of the video to switch to full screen mode. Additionally, you can use pinch gestures to zoom in or out, or simply rotate your phone between portrait and landscape mode for a seamless transition. For the best viewing experience, I also recommend adjusting the video quality settings. Tap the settings icon in the top right, go to Quality, and select Auto or Higher Picture Quality to ensure crisp and clear visuals. Keep in mind that a strong internet connection is necessary for high-resolution playback. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.